Welcome to For the Boys collaboration. I'm not doing a craft this month, but I am showing you some ideas. And we've got some outstanding crafters. Here's a list of all of them, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Hello. It's nice to see you. I feel like I've just been doing nothing, which I have been doing nothing. As you know, I've got my shoulder replaced on the 11th of September. And I got the staples out the other day, and here is my lovely sling. And I still wanted to do something for the boys because I just love that group. So I'm not crafting, but I was thinking, Christmas is going to be coming up on us really soon. And whether you've got Christmas or birthdays or whatever coming up, start thinking about presents. And if you don't have a big budget, you can really shop Dollar Tree and get a lot of really good things. And I was thinking, okay, we'll do some stuff for the boys. So I picked up a few things at Dollar Tree yesterday. Yay! It was so fun to go to Dollar Tree yesterday. But what I wanted to do is pick up these items and start putting together some baskets for guys or presents. And like I say, these can go together really quick, and you can just put them away and they're done. I'm one of these people, I know I'm weird, that I have to have Christmas all done before Thanksgiving. I don't go out on Black Friday. I don't shop in December. It's too stressful. I shop all year, so we're going to put together these presents and see if you like them. Okay, let's get busy. Okay, here's a cute little bucket I got. Now let me get this arranged here so we can see what we're doing. There, that's pretty good, isn't it? I'll do this one-handed. And they didn't have too big a selection, but they had a little bit of the paper shred. Now, if you really want to be really conscious of your budget, use the paper out of your own shredder. Okay, so I got a few things here that I thought would be fun. I got a Power Stick shave gel, and I smelled all these and they smell really good. Here's a Power Stick aftershave. Here is a Power Stick beard wash, and here is a Power Stick beard balm. And let's see, obviously this is going to be for a guy with a beard. And even my son likes masks. And here's a nice, oh, that's a shiny one, nice charcoal mask. And got a nice razor. Well, I guess you get two razors, two disposable razors. And here's a beard comb. This is a nice deodorant. Arm & Hammer. And I saw this Dove Men Care. And, oh, that smells really good. And this could be for a teenage boy, a college-age guy, husband, boyfriend, son. This could be for a lot of people, a friend, a neighbor. This would be even a nice one to buy and take to a nursing home. Even for somebody you don't know. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 with the shred. $11. I think that's a pretty reasonable present. And here's one of the toolboxes. And I thought, oh, later on I might just like make a name and put on there with my Cricut. I could even put a name on the bucket too. It's just a cheap little toolbox. And we'll do a package of shred in there too. Pretty color shred. It'd be good in a Halloween or fall DIY. And I'll tell you, I'm going crazy not doing any DIYs. And I have all these ideas in my head. So this would be good for a car, just a cheap little box for a car in the case of an emergency. I got these mini scrapers. These clamps, I love these clamps. I use them a lot in crafting. And I was also thinking, you know, you could get this box and fill it up with paint supplies. And here's a regular head screwdriver set and a Phillips head. It says they're magnetic tips. So I'll tuck that in there. And I noticed they've got these smaller levels. So just, like I say, nice cheap little present to keep around the house or to give to somebody for their first apartment, or, you know, just a few little things. Throw some screws in there. Keep it for the car. Here's some tire foam in case you get a flat. Oh, no, it's not for a flat. It's for cleaning your tires. Okay. I got that. That's what I should have done, is like got a cleaning kit for a car. Cleaning kit for a car would be great. So, hang on a second. Okay, I got these shrink wrap and pole bow. So you just put this in there. You take a hair dryer, pull the top of the bag together and twist. And accent with the gift basket with a different pole bow. So I've never really used these before, so we'll try it and see. Hard to do this one-handed. Well, you can be in the video, it doesn't matter. I might need help doing this. Bows. You know, there's like a thing you pull or something. Like these. Yeah, there we go. Just get hold of the little string and you just start pulling it. And it pulls the bow into place. And you could put more decorative ribbon on there too if you want. I think I need help tying this on. Yeah, just pull this tight. Pull this one tight. And it's supposed to, there we go, yeah. And then you can tie this end to that end. That's tight. These bows are pretty cool. They just like pull those strings and they go into a bow. And nobody can see you on the video anyway. So it's pointed right here. Whoa! Just take this and tie it around so it's tight before it shrink wraps. Seen them, but I've never done them before. And that's pretty cool that they include the bow in there. Smell that. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells good, huh?
Yeah, it smells fresh.
Dove from men. Having it on the placemat and flipping it around. It's pretty heavy duty plastic too. Keep it in place. I might cut this one off just a little bit up there. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully I can get back to crafting very soon and enjoy all the videos from the rest of the gang at For the Boys. I'm sure they've got some really astounding, cool stuff for you. Okay, bye.